Carbyl amine reaction. Carbyl amine reaction. This reaction is used for test for primary amine and aniline. This is also known as Carbyl amine test or isocyanide test. In this test, in this reaction, primary amine or aniline react with chloroform and alkali like KOH and gives isocyanide and KCl and water. The smell of isocyanide is unpleasant. When primary amine will be react with chloroform and alkali, it produce alkyl isocyanide. It is also known as alkyl carbylamine and KCl and water. When aniline react with chloroform and alkali like KOH, it gives phenyl isocyanide, KCl and water. Phenyl isocyanide is also known as phenyl carbylamine. Now, mechanism of carbyl amine reaction or carbyl amine test. First of all, chloroform CaCl3 react with base and form water and CCl3 anion. Again, this CCl3 anions loses chloride ion and forms a intermediate known as dichlorocarbene. This dichlorocarbene is electrophiles. Again, this dichlorocarbene react with primary amine, in which amine is nucleophile and dichlorocarbene is electrophile, and they form RNH2 CCl2. Again, this chloride ion will be attack on the hydrogen which is attached with nitrogen and form RNH CCl2. Again, from this HCl will be removed and it forms Rn double bond C single bond Cl, and there is negative charge on C. Again, R N double bond C single bond Cl. This lone pair of electrons will be formed here, triple bond, and this chlorine will be removed as a chloride ion and it forms Rn triple bond C. This is called alkyl isonitrile or alkyl carbylamine. Same steps are involved in aniline also. Thank you.